You're trying to diagnose a check engine light. You plug in your OBD2 scanner, and nothing happens. No connection. No codes. Just silence. Now you start thinking, is my scanner broken? Is something wrong with my car? But what if I told you? The fix could be as simple as a 10-cent fuse? Yep, a tiny, overlooked fuse could be the reason your scanner isn't working. Hey guys, welcome back to Car Care Fix. Today, I'm going to show you 5 easy fixes for when your OBD2 scanner won't connect to your ECU. These are simple things you can check yourself, no mechanic needed. And trust me, you'll definitely want to stick around for fix number 4 because that's the one most people miss. Why this happens? Before we jump in, let's quickly understand the problem. Your OBD2 scanner is basically a translator between you and your car's brain, the ECU. But sometimes, that communication breaks. It could be something simple, like no power, or something slightly more technical. The good news? Most of the time, it's an easy fix. Number 1, check ignition. First things first, is your ignition on? I know it sounds obvious, but a lot of people forget this. Your scanner needs power, and that power comes from your car's battery. So turn your key to the on position. No need to start the engine. Now try again. Still not working? No problem, let's move on. Number 2, check the OBD2 port. Next, check your OBD2 port. Over time, dirt and dust can build up inside and block the connection. Grab a flashlight. Look inside the port. Check for dirt, debris, or bent pins. If it's dirty, clean it using compressed air or a small brush. If you see damaged pins, that could be your issue right there. Number 3, check scanner compatibility. Now let's talk about your scanner. Not all OBD2 scanners work with every car. Some are universal. Others only work with specific brands. Check your scanner manual. Make sure it supports your vehicle. Quick test. Try your scanner on another car. If it works, problem is your car. If it doesn't, scanner might be faulty. Number 4, check the fuse, most important. Alright, this is the game changer. Your OBD2 port is powered by a fuse. If that fuse is blown, your scanner will never connect. Open your fuse box. Find the OBD2/diagnostic fuse, check your manual. Inspect it. If it's blown, replace it with the same rating fuse. This is a super common issue, especially after electrical work, and honestly, this fixes the problem most of the time. Number 5, reset the ECU. If nothing worked, it's time for the final step. Reset your ECU. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Reconnect it. This gives your car's system a fresh restart. Just keep in mind, you might lose radio presets. Some settings will reset. But if it fixes the issue, it's totally worth it. And that's it. Those are the 5 easy fixes to get your OBD2 scanner working again. Start with the simple stuff. And don't skip that fuse, it's usually the culprit. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Car Care Fix for more simple car tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need to be a mechanic to fix your car. See you in the next video.